Hi guys, welcome in this new video. In this video I'm going to show you a better way to play the Saboteur on Linux, which actually works perfectly. And I've made an older video about that, but it was very outdated. I was newer to Linux, and I was using the baseline version of Wine, which it was working okay, but it was not optimized for gaming. In this video I'm going to show you the best method to play the Saboteur, and we're not going to have that full screen bug anymore. At least it's not happening on my computer. And I hope it's not gonna happen with yours too, but chances are it won't. So let's begin. First thing you have to do is to open your store, your software manager of your distro, and install Heroic Launcher, which is this one. I've installed the Flatpak version, but you can also install the official repository one. And the second thing you have to do is go into Wine Manager, ProtonG, refresh the page, and install the latest ProtonG version. In this case, mine was 9-16. Then go back into Library, add Game, write the Saboteur, and he will automatically find an image for the game. As you can see, this is the right image. Then you want to go into Wine version and select the ProtonG that you have installed. And then you want to click Select Executable. Then you want to go into your Saboteur folder and select saboteur.exe. And then you want to click Finish. Now I'm not going to click it because I've already created it, as you can see. And as you can see, an entry will appear called the Saboteur. And you want to click this icon right here. Go in the Wine section and check Auto Install Update DXVK and VAPI on prefix. You want to enable fsync, enable esync, okay, those two. Then you want to go into Other, and you can disable Battle Eye Anti-Cheat, Easy Anti-Cheat. You can use Game Mode if you have installed it, and this will improve your FPS a little bit. And that's about it for the settings. Now, it should work. Okay, it should work really good. If you want to tweak the graphical settings, you still have to click this icon right here. Then you want to click Run exe on prefix. And you want to select Video Setup. One important thing is to set the refresh rate at 60, because if you set it as your monitor refresh rate, then when it will open the game, it will be like smaller and have a lower resolution, and you don't want that. So you want to select the maximum resolution of your monitor, turn everything to the maximum. Like in my case, I can do that, but I think that any recent PC can do that. But keep in mind to set the refresh rate to 60. Okay. So then you can select OK, you can apply, of course, and I've selected cancel because I've already done that. You apply, and it's done. You can play the game. Now let's go to the other section. Let's talk about the controller compatibility, because we're going to face a couple of issues. So I've already made a video on how to fix the controller on Heroic Games Launcher, so you're going to have to do that in this case too. So you have to click on Wine Tricks, open Wine Tricks GUI, click OK. Then you have to select the default wine prefix, run regedit. You want to click on registry, import registry file, and you want to select fix Heroic Gamepad issue. Okay? Then you want to open it, and the controller will be recognized. Now you will still have one bug, which the controller will be recognized, it will work, but the controls are going to be bad and buggy. So to fix that, you want to go into your Saboteur folder and search for input, and you have to open input templates. And as you can see, we have the defaults here. You have to scroll down to 360 controller, and you have to copy everything in the 360 controller. You copy it, and you have to paste everything that you've copied here inside of the other gamepad. You select everything and then you paste, so you save, and now everything will work finally, and you can just play the game. And if you want, you can also add a shortcut, as you can see, to the desktop. And I'm playing with the gamepad right now and it works. Everything is working.
Sean, get in. Yeah.
As you can see from the latest video, I can now play in full screen mode without any GPU error. And if the recording is not very smooth, that's the fault of OBS. But the game is super smooth.
This is it, my friend. After tomorrow, you'll be a famous driver, and I will be right there beside you reaping the rewards of your success.
So this was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, just write them in the comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.